Hi there, it's great to see you today. My name is Alex and we'll practice English together. Our goal for this lesson is to hear, repeat, and improve your English step by step. Don't worry about mistakes, they are part of the journey. With patience and practice, your English will grow stronger. Let's begin slowly, step by step. Let me ask you something. How many times have you felt nervous during a conversation in English? You want to express your thoughts, but the words just don't come out naturally. Your heart races and you feel lost. Don't worry, you're not alone. Many learners face this challenge, and today we're going to unlock the secret to speaking naturally in English conversations. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore practical steps to help you communicate with confidence and ease. By the end of this video, you will learn how to sound more natural and relaxed when speaking English. If you're excited to improve your speaking skills, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We have plenty of useful tips to share, so let's dive in. Step 1. Listen and imitate. The first secret to sounding natural is listening. Watch English movies, listen to podcasts, or follow YouTube channels. Pay attention to how native speakers talk. Notice their tones, pauses, and expressions. Then imitate them. For example, if you hear someone say, "That's a great idea," try repeating it with the same enthusiasm. This practice helps you pick up the rhythms of natural conversation. Step 2. Learn common phrases instead of using just single words. Focus on phrases that native speakers commonly use. These phrases make your speech flow better. Here are some examples. 1. What do you think? 2. I see what you mean. 3. That's interesting. 4. Could you clarify that? 5. I totally agree. Practice these phrases until they feel comfortable. You may even want to write them down and review them daily. Step 3. Don't fear pauses. It's okay to pause during conversations. Native speakers often take brief pauses to think. This gives you time to gather your thoughts. If you're unsure of what to say next, take a breath and use phrases like, "Let me think about that for a moment." This not only gives you time, but also shows you are considering your response carefully. Step 4. Use fillers wisely. Fillers can help you sound more natural while you think. Words like well, and give you a moment to collect your thoughts. However, use them sparingly. For instance, if someone asks, "What do you enjoy doing in your free time?" you might respond with, "Well, I really enjoy reading books and going for walks." This can make your speech sound more relaxed and natural. Step 5. Practice with a partner. Find a language partner or a friend who speaks English. Practice speaking with them regularly. This will help you feel more comfortable expressing your thoughts. Ask them to give you feedback, and don't hesitate to ask for help with phrases you're unsure about. You can say, "How would you say this in English?" Step 6. Keep conversations simple. When you focus on natural conversation, keep your sentences simple. Use short and clear sentences. For example, instead of saying, "I would like to go to the store to buy some groceries if that's okay with you," you can say, "Can we go to the store for groceries?" Simplicity helps you express your ideas quickly and naturally. Step 7. Emphasize your voice. The way you use your voice can make a big difference in how natural you sound. Pay attention to your intonation and stress. For example, if someone shares exciting news, you might respond with, "Really?" That's awesome. Emphasizing certain words shows your interest and makes the conversation more engaging. Step 8. Repeat after listening. After listening to a conversation or a dialogue, practice repeating what you heard. This will help you get comfortable with the natural flow of speech. Try to mimic the tone and pace of the speakers. If you heard, "Let's grab a coffee sometime," try saying it just like they did. Step 9. Don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. Instead of worrying about making mistakes, focus on your message. If you mix up words or use the wrong tense, keep going. Your confidence will grow over time. If you misspeak, simply say, "Oops, I meant to say," and continue. Step 10. Set small goals. Finally, set small, achievable goals. For example, challenge yourself to use at least 5 new phrases in a conversation this week. Or aim to have a 5-minute conversation in English every day. Achieving these goals will give you a sense of accomplishment and motivate you to keep improving. Now that we've covered 10 steps to speaking naturally in English conversations, let's quickly recap. 1. Listen and imitate. 2. Learn common phrases. 3. Don't fear pauses. 4. Use fillers wisely. 5. Practice with a partner. 6. Keep conversations simple. 7. Emphasize your voice. 8. Repeat after listening. 9. Don't worry about mistakes. 10. Set small goals. As we wrap up, remember that speaking naturally takes practice and patience. Each step you take brings you closer to your goal of fluency. The key is to embrace the journey and be kind to yourself along the way. You are doing great by investing time in improving your speaking skills. Celebrate those small victories, and keep in mind that every conversation you have is a step toward greater confidence. So keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, step by step, your English is becoming stronger. Believe in yourself and the progress you are making. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel to speak and engage in conversations. Each interaction is a new opportunity to learn and grow. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these tips help you find your voice in English conversations. Remember, speaking naturally is a skill that takes time to develop, but with determination and practice, you will get there. Continue to embrace every chance to improve, and know that you are stronger than you think. Each day is a new opportunity to communicate effectively and confidently. Now go out there, have those conversations, and enjoy the process of becoming a fluent English speaker. As we finish, remember that every effort you put into practicing is a step forward. It's wonderful to see you take the time to improve your skills, and each conversation you have helps build your confidence. Learning English is a journey that requires time and patience, so be gentle with yourself through the ups and downs. The more you repeat, the more natural